Okay, you want green lush grass, but the sprinkler heads are out of alignment or just not spraying in the right location. They are easy to adjust. You don't have to call a professional service. I have adjusted them many times over the years. You don't need to call a handyman. This happens to be a Rainbird sprinkler head. There are many other brands out there. These basic adjustment techniques will work for most brands. You may have more features or less features. This one happens to be a Rainbird 5000. Here's a specialty tool to make adjustments. It has a specific tip on the end to raise and lower the sprinkler head when it's in the off position, but you can use any small slotted screwdriver. Now when you're looking at the two holes, this model has the front hole and the back hole. The front hole where the water comes out is the volume adjustment. When you close the screw down to the right, it will limit the amount of water and make a shorter stream, so it will spray closer to the sprinkler head. If you loosen it, it will make for a longer, farther stream, so it will shoot your water jet much further, depending on how much area you need to cover. The back hole, the second hole away from the water stream, that's the left-right adjustment. Now this model of Rainbird, when you turn to the left, it'll stop at the far left position. You want to adjust that when you're screwing in the sprinkler head. Now when you turn the screwdriver to the right, it will increase and there's a little plus and minus sign in there, it will increase the amount of the right hand spray, or turn it to the left to decrease the amount of the spray. And again, it is indicated on the sprinkler head which direction to go for your particular case. And then instead of waiting and watching it, you can turn it by hand to feel the resistance on the left or right, so you know how far your sweep pattern is going. Look at your yard. It's easy to determine which areas are getting water and which areas are not. Look at this brown spot. We found out it was missing the spray pattern altogether. And then over here we had brown grass on the left, green grass on the right. So we found out this sprinkler head was completely buried, not popping up at all. So we bought a handy dandy tool like this, dug out a donut shaped hole, popped that sprinkler head right up, and it works great. I bet you can do it yourself. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and ask me any questions you have whatsoever, and I will do my best to answer each and every question.